everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become a counselor. And this one is one of my personal favorites because I am a counselor myself. And this workshop is geared towards those students who are interested in pursuing a counseling career. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step one. Step one, of course, is the most common requirement, which is a high school diploma. Without a high school diploma, you won't be able to further your studies. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. High school students should take courses like AP Psychology, Child Development, and Health to prepare for majoring in counseling or psychology. These will give you a good foundation as you head into your college courses. So that is, once you take classes that are related to what you want to major in or the career you're interested in, it'll help you understand more of what the career is about and the classes that you will be taking. And if you take classes that are in AP, then you'll be able to get college credit for those courses once you enter college. Talking to your school guidance counselor is also an easy way, unintimidating way also to see firsthand what a practicing counselor does. So that if you can talk to them and see what their job is like, you can see what they like about their job, what they don't like about their job, basically the pros and the cons, etc. You can see what classes and clubs at your school that they recommend. So that is maybe at your school you have a list of clubs that you can join, and maybe they have a specific one that they recommend for you, and that will look great on your college applications. Let's move on to step two, bachelor's degree. Of course, you are going to need a bachelor's degree if you want to become a counselor. As an undergraduate student, you'll most likely major in something such as psychology and concentrate or minor in counseling. So that is, there are majors both in psychology and counseling. Students who go to graduate school can choose from a variety of counseling subjects to study in depth. Some of these include bereavement counseling, school counseling, addiction counseling, and mental health counseling. So that is, once you go into grad school, you'll be able to choose the focus of counseling that you would like to pursue and basically the population that you would like to focus on your counseling to. You take more generalized counseling courses and then pursue your specialty during your internships and/or research. Of course, you can pursue these internships while you're completing your bachelor's degree as an undergraduate as well. Step three, choose a career path. Once you have completed your bachelor's degree, you need to see something that you can focus on, something that you would like to focus counseling on. For example, we have marriage and family counseling, guidance and career counseling, substance abuse counseling, academic counseling, and mental health counseling. Of course, these are just some examples of types of counseling that are out there. These are the most popular out there, but of course, you can choose another career path as well. And finally, we have step four. Consider opportunities for advancement. Students who go to graduate school can choose from a variety of counseling subjects to study in depth. So that is, of course, as I mentioned before, once you go into grad school, you can choose what you want to focus on. Some of these include bereavement counseling, school counseling, addiction counseling, and mental health counseling. You take more generalized counseling courses and then pursue your specialty during your internships and/or research. Once you are into grad school, then you can pursue an internship on that focus of counseling that you would like to pursue and that you would like to have a career in. Counselors with master's degrees commonly work in marriage and family counseling, mental health counseling, bereavement counseling, school counseling, and other kinds of substance abuse counseling. Now, these are just some examples. This is the most common type of counseling that people go into, but of course, feel free to choose any other career path and feel free to explore other career paths as well. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback y'all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.